I never ask you where you go after I leave you in the morning. We go our different ways, two separate situations. It's not that easy anymore.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Yeah, Billy Joel. Until the night, until the morning. Whoa, I just might make it until the morning. A live podcast on Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo. All right, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Paul Stanley of KISS. And today on Boozhoo, Nana Boozhoo, you wanted the best. You got the best. The hottest podcast on Facebook is Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. So please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Hey, thank you very much, Paul. Paul Stanley. Hey. So yeah, Boozhoo Nij Anishinaabe Dug. Welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and I'm here this morning with Miwini Mushane, with my sweetheart, Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo to the people watching this morning.
Boozhoo, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Mino Gigajeb. How you doing, sweetie?
Oh, me? Little me? Oh, I'm fine. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm terrific. You got big plans for the show today?
Well, I don't know. I guess I thought I'd do, a word of the day. We could, I was going to read the weather. And maybe this day in history. You want to do that, Paul? Yeah, that'd be great. We'll do a segment called This Day in History. Yeah. So we could probably diss some celebrities. That seems to be a thing I like to do on here. So yeah. So it's September 1st. What day baga Jesus? September. What day baga Jesus Beijing? What day baga Jesus is September. Leaves changing moon. That's what we call this time of year. Leaves changing moon. Why am I telling you this? You know this already. I'm going to tell the people out here. Yeah, so Wate Baga Jesus, leaves changing moon, is the Ojibwe word for September, for this time of year, for obvious reasons, for the leaves changing. And you know, I saw this picture on the Facebook there. It was a picture of a tree with changing leaves, you know, it was all yellow, and the guy was like, "This is just to remind you how beautiful letting go can be."
Oh, that's good. That's really profound, eh?
Yeah, that's just to show you how beautiful letting go can be. You know, they always tell us, "Oh, quitters never win, and winners never quit." But then it's like, hey, I picked up smoking. Well, you know what? Maybe you should quit. You know, sometimes you want to tell them, you know, sometimes it's good to quit. Be a quitter, I say. You ain't happy, you quit. Kids, learn to quit. But you know, there is some wisdom to that. Knowing when to give up, when to call it. Say, hey, you know what? This ain't working. I quit. You know, how many things do we do that, you know, we should quit? I gotta quit. You know, there's some people you gotta quit. I had a friend named Pat, and he used to say, he really liked me and be like, "Oh, I wish I knew how to quit you." Because, you know, that movie. Oh, I wish I could quit you. But I'd never want to quit you, Weenie Mushane.
Oh, me either.
Yeah, so sometimes you got to quit. You know, you could be in a bad relationship and you'd be like, I need to quit this. But it can be like an addiction, you know. Sometimes you just get used to it so much you go, I hate this, but I'm stuck. I gotta quit. But anyway, uh, what de baga gizes? Leaves changing moon. And it's not a time to be like, oh no, things are changing. How sad. I know the trees don't care that summer's over. They're like, hey, you know what? It's time to change. I'm not going to cling to being a green tree. That was the past. When I was younger, I was green. But now, the leaves are changing. And so I too will change. All right, who cares? All right, so next up, let's check out the weather, eh? I wonder what the weather's going to be like today, sweetie. So we'll go over here to the Bemidji Pioneer. And, okay. This isn't queued up like I'd hoped. La 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 la. Don't know what the weather is. And my computer's not moving. What's going on here? Oh, okay, here it comes. All right, 65. Fog and mist. Today is Saturday. It is 76 degrees will be the high today. Patchy fog before, what is that, 8 a.m. Otherwise sunny with a high near 76. Northwest wind around 6 miles an hour. How about that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 76. And then, what else? I like to just stand frozen and don't say anything. And go, oh yeah, how long will they watch this if I just... Okay, this day in history, because that's really important. Don't don't listen in history class, kids. Go to the internet and look up history, because this is what the world's about. All right. So, okay, now I lost that too. All right, never mind. This day in history, I think it was 1974. Kiss released Kiss Alive. It was going to be, they said on the thing, Kiss releases their bombastic live performance and sales start to go through the roof. I guess, they were pretty much broke after 3 albums. And, people never think about that. They go, oh, when did that band start? Well, Kiss started in 74, but they didn't make any money for years. Anyway, so they said, they released their bombastic live album. And for the first time today, I was like, what does that mean? Oh, it's fantastic. Hey, did you see the Kiss show? Yeah. Not only was it fantastic, they had like bombs. So it was like bombastic. I mean, fantastic would be one thing, but this show, bombastic. I don't know. But you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast. We're learning about culture, about the weather. We're learning about leaves changing moon. Wate baga gizes. Wate baga gizes. Wate baga gizes. Oh, I remembered another song that we should have sang yesterday.
Which one?
This one. Mina bashki mina sagani. No, how's that go? Mina bashki mina sagani betusa jikani. Bakwe jikan. Mina bashki mina sagani betusa jikani. Bakwe jikan, yeah.
Mina bashki mina sagani betusa jikani. Bakwajikan, yeah, mina bashki mina sakani, batu sichikani. Bakwajikan.
Mina bashki mina sagani betusi jikani. Bakwe jikan. Blueberry pie. Or you could just say blueberry pie. But that's not so fun. Mina bashki mina sagani betusi jikani. Bakwe jikan. Mina bashki mina sagani betusi jikani. Bakwe jikan. Oh wow. Gee, we're just died as singers.
Well, we sing together a lot, so it's really
Yeah, I know. It's almost like we finish
each other's sentences.
All right. So okay, well hey, I think we're gonna cut it short today. We did the word of the day, we did everything, and I don't have any stories that, disrespect famous celebrities. Let's see. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me say just this much. Do I want to do this? No, I guess not. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, Natasha Owe, and we're going to mahjong, and I'll talk to you later. Giga Wabamin, Minawa. Oh, what? All right.